Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll complete the quiz under data, which is test your knowledge. So click on it, and after clicking it will send us here. Now here click on open quiz, and then it will take us in this tab, and here you can see the correct answer for the first question, the second question, third question and the fourth question. You have to select two answers. So just select example 3, example 4, and here the correct answer for the fifth question. Now click here to submit answer. After clicking on submit answer, we'll wait for a while. So here we have completed this quiz, we have completed it. Now here click on view profile, and after clicking on view profile you can see the badge here. Scroll down and see here the badge is here for the numerical data. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will help me a lot. We'll meet in the next video, guys.